What is machine learning?
Machine learning is an application of artificial intelligence, AI, that provides systems the ability to automatically learn and improve from experience without being explicitly programmed. Machine learning algorithms learn from historical, past data. Algorithm learns the relationship between input variables and the target variable. Once the algorithm is trained, it is then deployed for prediction. Trained ML model predicts the target variable for the given new input data based on the learning from past data. This is known as learning from experience. Got it?
Well, kind of understood.
Okay, let me explain you with an example. Use case bank loan processing. The bank loan application is processed through a rule-based system. The loan is approved or rejected based on the customer profile. Loan approved is based on loan approval rules such as credit score, salary, work experience, existing loans, and more. These rules are created by a business analyst manually through analysing past data of the customers who have taken a loan and whether they paid or defaulted. Machine learning can replace the rule-based loan approval system. Past loan transactions are fed to machine learning algorithm. Machine learning algorithm learns the relation between input variables, in this case, credit score, salary, work experience, existing loans, and target variable, whether the customer paid the loan or defaulted. Once the model learns the relationship between input variables, which is customer profile, and target variable, which is whether the loan paid or defaulted, the algorithm is said to be trained. Deploy trained ML algorithm replaces the rule-based loan approval system. Trained ML algorithm approve or reject the new loan application based on the prediction whether the customer applied for the new loan will pay back or default. In this case, the new application is from Mr. David. David has a credit score of 8.2, salary of 120k per annum, work experience of 85 months, and no existing loans. Machine learning algorithm has predicted that David will pay back the loan based on past transactions of similar loans given to other customers, and therefore the loan is approved. ML algorithms are very accurate compared to rule-based systems, which are created manually. This gives a huge competitive advantage for business. ML-based systems are highly scalable and customizable. ML systems trained on a regular basis with the past data can be automated so that algorithm can automatically improve themselves over a period of time. Does this example help you understand machine learning?
Got it. Brilliant. Now I can see how machine learning can help businesses.
Adapting machine learning is the prime focus for most of a large business across industries. Top 5 industries affected by machine learning are finance and banking, healthcare, retail and e-commerce, technology, energy and utilities. As per Forbes.com report, by 2022, artificial intelligence and machine learning create 58 million new jobs.
Wow, ML is not just another technique in analytics, but a disruptive concept. With high demand, it is a great career choice. This is truly an era of artificial intelligence.
Yes, indeed.